how the banks are keeping you in perpetual debt and what you can do about it. Did you know that you will make $2.8 million in your lifetime and can still be broke? I just Googled it and found out the average household income in the US in 2020 by Census.gov is $71,186. Multiply it with 40 working years, and you have a whopping $2,847,440. Can you believe that? You're making $2.8 million in your lifetime and still worried about money. Do you ever wonder why? Why does it feel like every step forward takes us 2 steps backward? Here's the simple answer. The majority of your money that you're making today goes back to pay taxes and interest. Yes, 30 to 40% goes to pay for your taxes, which includes everything from buying groceries to annual tax filing. And 34% goes into paying interest on all the debts you have, like your mortgage, car note, credit cards, student loan, to name a few. According to Money.com, you're going to spend $280,000 on interest in your lifetime, and that's on the lower end. Money.com continues, the average American can expect to pay $450,000 in interest in their lifetime. Now, I want you to pretend for a moment that instead of throwing away that $500,000 in interest, you're holding on to it, making it work for you. Just like the banks own their own debt, you create a system where you own your own debt. Now, you ask yourself, what'll happen in the next 10, 20, or 30 years? You would perhaps say, not only I will have that extra $300,000 to $500,000 with myself, but I'll also be making compound interest on that money year after year. Do you think that'll help you becoming debt-free and creating a perpetual passive income for life? You bet. And Infinite Banking can help you do that. Stop the banks from keeping you in perpetual debt. Click the link below to book an appointment now. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for some more amazing content every week.